So what do a lot of the banks, a lot of the car funders, a lot of the dealerships do in order to induce you into buying a car? They use a few dirty tricks. I'll run you through a few of them. So the first one they use is what they call a residual or a balloon payment. Let's say you want to buy a vehicle which is going to cost you 500,000, but you can't afford the payments on 500,000 because they are 15,000 Rand per month. They say, hold on, no problem. We will put a residual or balloon payment on that 500,000 Rand loan. What does that mean? You don't have to pay back 200,000 of the 500,000 on your monthly car payments. So you end up paying off 300,000. And instead of your monthly payment being 15,000 Rand per month, it ends up being, let's say, 8,000 Rand per month. That is a dirty trick. It's giving you the impression that you can afford the car, but at the end of that car loan, 4-5 years from then, you will still owe the 200,000 to the bank, and they'll be charging you interest throughout that entire car loan. Avoid residual payments. In addition to that, some of the dealerships attract you with lower interest rates. They say if you went and you borrowed money from the bank for this vehicle, you'd be paying 11, 10, 12%. If you buy it from us with our financing houses, you are paying 4 or 5%. Nonsense. Humbug. What they've actually done is they've factored the cost into the vehicle itself. So they're still making money from you. That 5% low interest rate is a marketing gimmick. They're still making money from you on the price of the car. Don't do it. The last thing that they do, using a combination of means, the residual payment, the lower interest rate, the renting or leasing arrangement, is that they're trying to induce you to buy a car every 3 or 4 years. They're basically saying, if we give this guy this arrangement, he will have to come back every 3 or 4 years to refinance, and by refinancing, there's a high level of certainty that he'll buy another car from us. So they're keeping you, they're hooking you into a debt trap. These are some of the dirty tricks that the dealerships and the car financing companies use. Watch out. Look out for yourself. Don't fall for them.